Lean DevOps at EMC helps solve the problem of not enough people. Now, what do I mean by not enough people? A lot of times our customers will tell us that they just don't have the developer resources in order to implement more functionality for the business. Well, we find there are three main issues with this not enough people problem. The first is a lot of developers are doing non-development work. Quite frankly, in a lot of cases they're doing manual testing. They're actually responsible for moving application code between environments, like from development test into integration. They're also responsible for moving from integration into QA, and also in some cases doing QA work. So there's a lot of non-developer type work that developers are being asked to do. The second reason is that we actually have bugs that occur downstream. So a bug that could be introduced in the development environment actually finds its way into integration and into QA, and in worst cases, all the way out into production. It is way more costly and time-consuming to fix a bug downstream than it is to fix it where it occurred. The third reason is that customers don't have enough experts. You say, well, how do we solve that problem? Well, the problem is that there are a few people at a customer site that have the information or the knowledge of actually how to set up the development environment and how to move between environments. And so those people are a constraint, and it's very difficult for new developers to come in and come up to speed. So how does Lean DevOps at EMC help solve these problems? Well, the first way is that we eliminate the non-developer type work that developers are asked to do. So instead of doing manual testing or helping out with the testing on that case, we automate that. Instead of asking developers to move between environments, we automate the promotion of application code from development test into integration and throughout the software development lifecycle. So now developers can actually focus on the value-added work of implementing business logic. The next way is that we actually find bugs when they occur. So through the automated testing, there's a very low likelihood that a bug will actually be promoted downstream. So we eliminate bugs where they occur. The next is that we actually take this wealth of information that a few people have at a customer site, and we codify that information into reusable configurations, into best practices that can be implemented through automation. So now these experts can focus on higher value-added capabilities at the customer site, implementing more strategic business capability than having to train new developers as they come in. So now this information is automated and made available to everyone. So through these three ways, to eliminate non-developer type work, addressing bugs when and where they occur, and taking information from experts and automating that through configuration, we can solve the not enough people problem.